Hi, Ralph. I Some of your work is really good. Your caricature art is excellent. I think you should continue to do that. You could have a career with it. This work looks like clip art. You didn't update these bodies. The grayscale on one side, but not on the other, kind of doesn't make sense. I didn't think that the message of it came across. And like I said, I add a little more detail to the people. They look like children. I'm not sure if that's what it was. Question number one on the ballot: nurses' decisions about caring for their patients. See, that doesn't come across at all. This one, it just sort of looks like kung fu hands. It doesn't look like the Japan is taking anything out of Africa. So again, that was another one I made suggestions for that you didn't take. This one also, I had critiques for you, you didn't take. It really just looks like a messy illustration of a baby making bubbles. If that's supposed to be a skeleton, it's not clear enough. And then finally, in this presentation, you have a duplicated page without anything on it. So it's clear that you were super busy or something this quarter, which is too bad, but that'll be reflected in your grade. That said, again, I thought this was a really excellent illustration, and if I were you, I would continue to do caricatures, do like 10 caricatures of famous people, and then make a Behance page for it. And then go crazy, try to publicize it all over the internet. iStock, Behance, go through, just look up illustration sites. I'm sure you can find lots of ideas. But this shows real talent. So, that said, good luck in your next class. Bye bye.